Hello everyone, and welcome back. When people think of a luxury kitchen, they usually imagine expensive marble countertops, oversized islands, and high-end appliances. But here's the truth. Those features alone don't make a kitchen feel truly luxurious. In 2026, the most beautiful kitchens aren't defined by price. They're defined by thoughtful design, smart organization, quality materials, and timeless style. In today's video, we're revealing what actually makes a kitchen feel high-end, and surprisingly, it's not the marble. These designer-approved ideas can help any kitchen look more elegant, whether you're remodeling or simply updating your current space. Let's dive in. Fork and knife with plate. Secret number 1. A cohesive color palette. Luxury kitchens always feel calm because they use a consistent color scheme. Instead of combining many bold colors, designers choose warm whites, creamy beige, soft greige, natural oak, matte black, or muted olive tones. A limited color palette creates visual harmony and instantly makes the kitchen feel larger and more sophisticated. The goal is balance, not too much contrast, but enough warmth to make the room inviting. Basket. Secret number 2. Clutter-free countertops. One of the biggest differences between an ordinary kitchen and a luxury kitchen is what's not on display. Professional designers hide small appliances, cables, cleaning products, and everyday clutter inside cabinets or pantry storage. Only a few carefully selected items remain visible, perhaps a wooden cutting board, a ceramic vase, a bowl of fresh fruit, or a coffee station. Clean countertops instantly create a premium look. Light bulb. Secret number 3. Layered lighting. Lighting is often overlooked, but it's one of the most important design elements. Instead of relying on a single ceiling fixture, luxury kitchens use multiple layers of light. Pendant lights above the island, under cabinet LED lighting, recessed ceiling lights, and soft accent lighting all work together to create warmth and depth. Good lighting makes every material, from wood to stone, look even more beautiful. Wood. Secret number 4. Quality materials, not quantity. You don't need the most expensive marble to create a luxury kitchen. Instead, focus on quality finishes. Natural wood cabinetry, quartz countertops, brushed brass hardware, matte black faucets, and textured ceramics all add elegance without feeling flashy. A few premium materials used thoughtfully often look more expensive than filling the room with costly finishes. Herbs. Secret number 5. Natural texture and greenery. Luxury kitchens feel warm because they're not made entirely of stone and metal. Interior designers add life with wooden accessories, woven baskets, linen towels, fresh herbs, olive branches, or indoor plants. These natural elements soften the space and make it feel welcoming. Even a small vase with fresh greenery can completely change the atmosphere. Home. Secret number 6. Smart storage solutions. Hidden storage is one of the defining features of high-end kitchens. Deep drawers, pull-out pantry shelves, drawer organizers, appliance garages, and custom cabinets keep everything neatly arranged and easy to access. When everything has its place, the kitchen always feels cleaner, larger, and more luxurious. Luxury isn't about having more storage, it's about using storage more intelligently. Sparkles. Secret number 7. Timeless design over trends. Trendy kitchens can quickly feel outdated. That's why designers choose timeless features such as shaker cabinets, neutral colors, simple hardware, natural wood, and elegant lighting. Trends can still be included through accessories like bar stools, artwork, rugs, or decorative pieces that are easy to update later. A timeless kitchen remains beautiful for many years. Clapperboard. Final thoughts. A high-end kitchen isn't about showing off expensive materials. It's about thoughtful planning, clean organization, balanced lighting, quality craftsmanship, and creating a space that's both beautiful and practical. These details work together to create a kitchen that feels luxurious every single day. So, which of these luxury kitchen secrets surprised you the most? Was it the clutter-free countertops, layered lighting, smart storage, or timeless design? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more kitchen inspiration, luxury home decor ideas, and modern interior design tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Fork and knife with plate. True luxury isn't about spending more, it's about designing smarter.